Frequent flyer flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You're checking out the Frequent Flyer. Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend the warmest welcome, y'all. I'm back out here at the park, Squirrel Park. Haven't been out here in a while, y'all. Been neglecting the air with my drones. So I'm back out here with another drone. Actually a ChopShopped product here. One of my favorites from the Top Flyer series of Attop. This is a very, very rare hex. And this guy is very rare and it's very unique in being a small micro hex with gear driven props, y'all. So this thing isn't direct driven, the props and all. I think this is the only one that I've ever seen that's a micro, you know, this small with gear driven props. And so I never liked the fact that this thing wasn't deviated, and so I took the brains out of my other favorite hexacopter with driven props, motor driven props, direct drive, the MJX X800. And so I dropped the X800's brain inside of here. So this thing is on MJX protocol now. I can fly with my Devo. Actually matches my Dusty Devo's colors. Let's get this guy up in the air. It flies really long. Not gonna fly it too long. Let's get it. So this thing used to have an on and off switch. No on and off switch now. Sacrifice I had to make for the mod. There you go. This is actually my first flight of it outdoors. I did do a hover indoors after the mod, and it looks like it flies awesome. A lot of pitch. Flies better than it did. Pretty decent trade-off. It had a fast yaw, but low pitch. I think pitch is important because you can get fast turns off with deep pitch. Check it out. So you don't really need a fast yaw if you got deep enough pitch. And the MJX X800 has really nice pitch on deviation. So I was able to get this thing flying like this. Let's see if we could do a flip with it though. I'm pretty sure I got my flips set up. Okay, there we go. Let's try another one. Sheesh. Acting a little weird on the flip. I don't know what's going on with it. Yeah, it won't let me do another one. We got one off. Let's try another one. Okay, it did a backflip on demand. Yeah, this thing's awesome now. Much better flyer now, in my opinion, with this deep pitch on it. You do crazy funnels with it now. I'm loving it, y'all. I can't even see back there. I don't know why I'm flying back there. Try another flip. No flip. Sheesh, do a flip for me. Does you want to do a flip for me? Well, let's dive. I'm gonna have to wrap this flight up. I gotta get my butt to work, y'all. Let me do a couple speed passes. One more no look. Sheesh, the pitch is almost vertical. I love that. But look how slow the yaw is, y'all. Super slow, y'all. This is full yaw. I wired up the lights and everything. I like this thing that much. So let's bring it in, y'all. So it's my little modded top flyer series Hexacopter from Attop. MJX guts in here, y'all. Thanks for watching.